Hi friends, I'm Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com and I have come by to share some more recipes with you this week. I always do some sort of a theme to my weekly meal plans. I'm not really sure why I do that, just kind of do. This week I am basing it on the fact that I am super busy this week. Not only do I have my food blog, and I'm a mother of four. I am also a second grade teacher, and this week we have some parent-teacher conferences. So I am going to work smarter, not harder, and prep a few things ahead of time so that meal plan does not turn me into crazy psycho mom, which sometimes happens to us all, I'm sure. I am going to make a bunch of meal prep shredded chicken, and I'm going to use that meal prep shredded chicken in all of my recipes for the week. So mealtime will be quick and easy and a little bit more enjoyable. So you can find all of these recipes at cookswellwithothers.com. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on one of my weekly meal plans. So here we go with this week's Prep Ahead weekly meal plan. So like I said, on Sunday, I plan to make a bunch of shredded chicken. I'm gonna link this recipe in the post. You're just gonna store it in the fridge and you're gonna use it when you make dinner each week or each night this week. So the first one is actually super healthy. It is avocado chicken and mango lettuce wraps. If your kids aren't super happy about lettuce wraps, you could definitely serve those in tortillas, or you could serve the avocado chicken salad on crackers. The next way that we are going to use the shredded chicken, we're going to make green chili chicken enchiladas. Those are really easy to just roll up. You throw the sauce and the cheese on and bake them in the oven. Super easy if you already have the shredded chicken in your fridge. Then we also have a chicken bacon ranch twice baked potato. My kids absolutely loved these. This one also makes a lot, so you might even be able to squeeze 2 meals out of that one. And then by the time the weekend rolls around, I'm always wanting something kind of snacky, not like a traditional meal. So I'm going to use the shredded chicken, the rest of it, and make cast iron barbecue chicken nachos. Something about doing them in the cast iron makes them stay extra crispy. So you guys, I hope that you have a great week. I hope that you enjoy this week's recipes, and I will see you next week for another weekly meal plan.